So, would you believe me if I told you that these tiny sand grains can help find oil, explore the deep ocean, and even tell us about the Earth's past climate? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Meet Foraminifera, tiny marine fossils that have been on Earth for 500 million years, and today they are still helping scientists in surprising way. Okay, let's break it down. Foraminifera or forams are single-celled marine organisms that live in oceans. Think of them like plankton, but with tiny beautiful shells made up of calcium carbonate. So where do they live? Planktonic forams float in ocean water, and benthic one, they live at the seafloor. They come in amazing shape and size, and when they die, their shell sinks to the ocean floor, forming layers of fossils over millions of years. Here's the cool part. Oil companies use foraminifera fossils to find petroleum, but how? When drilling for oil, geologists pull up rock samples from the deep underground. Inside these rocks, they find tiny foraminifera fossils which act as time maker. Certain forams only existed during specific geological periods, so if we find a fossil that's 100 million years old, we know exactly how old that rock is. Different foraminifera lived in different environments. Some in deep sea, other in shallow water. So if we find deep sea forams in a rock layer, it tells us that the area was once covered by an oceanic water. This helps petroleum geologists figure out where ancient oil-rich environment existed. When forams die, their shell mixed with organic material and sediments over millions of years. This organic material turns into oil and natural gas. By studying the forams in different layers, scientists pinpoint where oil reservoirs are hidden beneath the earth. But foraminifera aren't just used in oil exploration. They are also super important for understanding the ocean. Tracking climate change, forams have recorded 500 million years of climate history. By studying their shell, scientists can figure out how ocean temperatures have changed over time. Forams absorb oxygen from seawater while forming their shells. The type of oxygen trapped inside tells us if the ocean was warm or cold when they lived. Forams travel with ocean currents, so by studying where different species are found today, we can understand how current moves and how marine life is changing. Believe it or not, foraminifera can help predict earthquakes and tsunamis. When an earthquake happens, the seafloor shifts, burying certain foram species. Scientists study these layers to understand past disasters and predict the future one. Want to see foraminifera yourself? Next time you're at the beach, collect some sand and put it under a microscope. You might find tiny beautiful foram shells hiding in there. So the next time you hear about oil exploration, climate change or ocean currents, remember, it all connects back to these tiny ancient fossils. Foraminifera may be microscopic, but their impact on our world is massive. So, did you know the microfossils could do all this? Let me know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe to the Geo Factor for more amazing science stories. Thank you.